Hello guys, Savan here. Welcome back to another live. So yeah, yesterday was Sunday and there was no live session, and today we are back again. First of all, let me check that the live is going fine and all of that. Today we are back again. Yeah, so the live is going good. Everything's working fine as expected, and there are some viewers coming. So yeah, we have just stopped some point and a code. This update one. This update was not working, and it's still not working. I haven't tried it because everything in this live series is going to be done live. There's nothing going to be done priorly planned or anything. I have not planned anything. I'm just doing everything here itself. So you can understand that everything doesn't work when like you expect to work. Yes. Let's say around click. It still isn't working. So what we have to do here is the value of check getting here, and here we are passing the whole object. Here where we are checking that is this anything in the task. Just console out here what we are getting inside of the element. Okay. So after that we can get an idea, a rough idea that what are we getting, and all of that is completed. L dot underscore id should be equals to dot dot. Yes, it should work now. Yeah, it's working. So we got it. We got it. We got it. Value. We wanted to change the value, and here we have also got. What I want here number. So if it works, it will be give me true or false value. But what I want to do here is let me check this well in that. Yeah, it's going as expected right now. So it's giving me a true or false value, but I want the ID, particular ID in which it's executing. So if this is true, then what we can do here is we can create on that TODO ID, TODO update ID. So if that's that, then I want to update the TODO ID equals to element dot underscore ID. Can I get an access here? I guess So physically that I have the access or not, I'm just checking. Is diffuse. Let's check. We have to go through everything. Nope, nope. It's not working. And here, let me to do that. Nothing's working. Oh yeah. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, we can just store the video directly from here because the task.sum returns you a boolean. Does it exist or not? I don't want to do that. I want to just compare that if the data ID of the data and the data in the task, the ID of that data is matching, then if it's matching, then update the to do update ID variable with the index like 0 1 2, and otherwise don't do anything. And after that, what we have to do here is we have set tasks here, tasks index dot underscore id. No, dot is complete to true, no, true. Event dot target dot chat. Should work now. It's not an index, it's true update ID. Console log that, or let's just console log the whole task here. It's giving us an error, tasks.map function, but yeah, the value is getting changed here. That's not an issue now. It's working. Thing is working right now. What we can do here is we do tasks.map, I guess. Yeah, we can do tasks.map, and inside of here we can just what we can do here is we ed equals data dot underscore id, and what to do here is tasks set the task here. Okay, I guess it should work. I don't just don't do anything. Expected 15th line. I guess it's we are not giving him the index. It's giving us an error on the 50th line. It's giving us an error. error here, but the error is actually here. Start. It's just saying that it is not a cat. So yeah, we should ditch this idea and move to our basic approach, what we are doing earlier. Not try something new. Yeah. To update ID. The task is on the whole fine. Task is all fine. Blah. It's giving an error. Error. Yeah, but as we checked, the data was working correctly here. The task was getting updated. The issue was after that. Yep. Let's just console all the tasks here. Data one. Here, it's here. And yeah, the value is getting changed. As well the error with the tasks. There is no task defined because whenever we are updating here, it's getting changed or use the task, and let's try to directly set it work. It works, I guess. Oops. Oops. The data is not getting updated correctly. You can't write it there, but yeah, definitely I can write it here. Yes. Yeah, leave it like that. The wheel is not getting changed again. I guess what I'm supposed, not like this. I have that thing. Yeah, this format. This I have to use that format here to write tasks, I guess. Yep. And basically just this. Yeah, so we have to Google some stuff. History of objects. I guess this looks perfect. The state and the to-dos here both are written. Stash. Guess what you're supposed to do here is just let's try this approach. If it works, I don't mind. If it were and very worrying that much. Yeah, let's cancel log delivery. As of right now, refresh it and right where we are printing that line 14th 15th. Yeah. Yep, it's working. It's working. So what we have to do here is now update it with the help of new array instead of here to do update id. Right to update id is completed. I have to go to event target. Yep. Now we'll be setting the task. Remove all of this. It's good right now, but yeah. It works. It's working, guys. Finally. So finally it's working. Let's create some first of all to do write something. Saying that it's a bad request. Why? Why am I doing a bad request in create to do? It's just saying a bad request. Path title is required. Description is telling you everything. Why are you just to do the title addition? Let's correct data. What? Yep. The data was getting updated here. Yeah, this is also working perfect. It's working. And let's just it anyways. And let's check that. No, it's still not changed here. Guys, sorry. Yeah, oh, we have to check the tasks. If we check the tasks here, and if it is perfect here also, then I should not update the whole. Instead, let's to do only like this. Why isn't it updating? This should be working. Nope, 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 nope. Why isn't it updating? Still saying that is completed is false. Why? Flip this value then. Right now it's working, but definitely not anymore. Why would someone do like that? Hmm. So yeah, this is right now working. Try to click on that. Is updating, but total data here. Why it's displaying like that? The heck it's doing so weird thing. It's storing the whole task inside of this. I guess it should put everything this inside of this effect. Yes. Oh yeah, I got that. Why it's displaying? Yeah, it will be displaying. Never mind, because the data is there always. The data will always be there. So we are we are not doing that. We are not deleting the data. We are just doing it true false. So the data will be there, of course. Yeah. So that's the reason. Finally, we are we have done it. So what we have done here is we created a state. If there's a better approach, please mention in the comment section down below. I do. This is what I found online. That's what I was doing. So to do a variable to do update ID. This is the ID, local ID. As we saw that is 8. So there are total 8 data. So which of 0, 1 to which position is the data? I to save that I have created this to do update ID, and we have created this handle change method which has access to the data. The data is nothing but simply the whole subject which to do is getting updated. That's nothing else. But here what I'm doing is nothing important. Yeah, I guess I can write here is unchanged. I guess. Yep. Uh, yeah, it should get updated directly down here, but it's not. Never mind. Tasks.map and the index. Okay. Okay, never mind. So if it's not true, then the else part, what it should do, it should steer the whole of this. It should be displayed down there. But here there will be no checkbox. It should be a button. Delete. Yep. Remove this label. And let's make it. God, let's make it look better. So when we were watching, to mention hi in the chats. Let us know. Yeah, I'm asking anyone right now. See, just paste that button here because I want to see. Yep, see, it looks way better now. But what I want to do here is I want to run that loop inverse. So let's keep it this danger. Shouldn't spell danger, it should be cool. And let's just remove this event p24. So this will just refresh. Yep. Here also should be removed. So whenever create water, yeah, it just refreshes. We can do something else also, but right now we just have to create a basic project right now. We don't want to create it, so that's the reason why we are not of the thing. So on click of this button, I want to call one is it that paste it down here, not like that. Yeah, it's looks, and yeah, what we can do here is you can now I'll be accepting the ID. I'll be accepting the event preventive. Here I should call Axios delay TODO slash dollar ID. Let's replace this one by backticks. It should work fine. Right. Yeah, task.map is not a function. Okay, I can delete it. It was the 65th line, I guess. Uh, it's right down here. So it's about the tasks. Yeah, again. Mm, but if you see, it's getting deleted. But the error here is the task.map is not a function. So yet it's getting some error. What we can do here is can we can create component, create on this delete, it will load that effect. Oh yeah, it's it's working right now. Here handle delete and then to do update ID equals try. Oh, doesn't work. Leave the task exists and then only how to do that. Undefined task will be undefined. Create line. Yeah, let's try that once again. So they are saying that as of right now it's working. So first of all, we'll be deploying this to Heroku. We'll check what to do with this, how to handle this. We'll be going through that afterwards. Never mind. Let me create our new Heroku app. Let's say on to do set pixels to, yeah, it's there, it's available. Item could not be created if you reached the app limit. Okay, okay, I have reached the app limit. I'll be deleting, never mind. It's okay. Yeah, delete. You can also do the same file. Today we'll be using Heroku. It's not much of a diff of that. You can use anything you want. Do as you like. Here there are some caveats. You can just open your GitHub, create a repo, push that code inside of that. And yeah, I'll be creating this link so you guys also can copy the code from there or then get a reference from there. Don't copy it, try to do it by yourself. You can do better than me, you guys. And so yeah, I'm just checking for my GitHub. I have other accounts, so which account is logged in right now? I don't remember that. So name, yes. Let's save the changes. Try to do that now. Okay, first let's just remove that old one. If there, sometimes it gives, sometimes not. Let's not just take that risk. You can also push the commits from here. It's not compulsory to do it from right here only. It commit first. You can name anything you want. It's your choice. Copy the paste. Asking to master. See, I do my keychain. It should be working now. Why it's doing um, Yes, we have to update it here. It's just more and more pain. I know we can create that SSH, different SSH for different users, but I don't want to do that. I hate doing stuff sometimes. Just changing state. I guess it should push now. Allow. Yeah, it's working. And as of right now, I have just done one simple thing till now. That is, what's my repo name? Made one huge mistake here. Also updated the .env. Forgot to mention it in the what you said. No, git ignore. You have to mention our git ignore. Forgot. My bad. Forgot. Why is it not letting me get access to? Oh damn! That it file here too. I guess I have to do everything again. Add commit. What I'll delete the TODO and give me always allow. You have to use the force. Use the force. Never mind. There will be no big problems. There will be as such. So hello guys. There's only one branch. It will be possible to deploy it today itself because there's a lot of things. Sorry guys, had some work to do. Was little busy. See, deploy to Heroku. When you view that, they'll give you errors. It will give error. Don't think that you will not get errors. That's your big mistake. If you are thinking that you will not get any error, then it's your biggest mistake of life. Don't do that. It's also this much of time. Definitely going to be many errors. First of all, I know there are plenty of them, so I'll be not. First, we have to configure our project a little bit. For that, first of all, let me file here. Have to do. Okay. JSON file, I have to create some scripts. Node bot, yes, change to do front end, and then what you have to do here is I guess it's just like that, if I'm not wrong. Less of these servers, try to run it here. npm let's check that or not. Navigation error, we know that. Deploying non to Heroku. There are plethora of articles available. Just follow any one of them and you will be good to go. You know all of this. Name it. Yeah, all the front end files existing. Spin them apart. Yes, this all looks great. Mongo already done that. No need to do that again. We have hosted a database on the MongoDB at last. We don't these steps. Git ignore, yes. Yep, this is the script. Yeah, great. Copy, paste it down. This is what I was looking for. Comma here. So I change directly to the client and install it on the dev developer and npm install and npm run pa. Be able to do is run a server file with node once it's built. A proc file to tell it how to do that. We already have a start script. Node we don't want to specify because we are using the latest, and that's why it will not give us an error. Click the deploy tab, go to your dashboard. We have to do some different things. When I remember funny git commit. I just have to do one more thing here, which is like we were doing this all API calls with that, yeah. So API calls with this local host and all that. So if you don't want to do that, what we wanna do here is first of all, let's use the backticks. Process dot env dot react app. I guess this, let's check it in the video. I have displayed it. Hello Vimal, welcome to the live. I want to go to deploy to you. Everyone uses some of that sort, their own version. Everyone likes to work just like that. We have to implement this proxy thing. Clip client and server. Webpack. Mm. Okay. Okay. What I want to do here is I want the one React app URL. Okay. So what we can do here is I can rather copy this URL and paste it down here like this. Uh, use this and API. Mention it inside of my env folder. I got will be not using that approach now because what I want to do is just write just like that, so it will hit the route directly to that. Fine, that is the only one request. Yeah, there's only one request here. There are many down here. To instead of here, paste, move down. Here, paste it again. So instead of this git ignore, let .env and all of that. There's a .env.local but not the simple .env. We have to add that. If there's I don't want you. It the old files. Yeah, I did it add Copy this key signal from here, paste it down side of hope that they're not modules package and deployed. Because we already pushed the code and we are not pushing it with the same things, so yeah, it's giving you an error. That's the reason. Because of that reason, never mind, we have done that, and let's do it again. No into contents. You can see running the Heroku post field, changing the directly to client and all of that. I hope it works. If it doesn't, never mind. We gotta try different things. Okay, cannot blame. Deployment is not that easy of a task. We just simply change the URL here. You can do here is you can store that URL in TNB, React, like anything. I would like to name API, and I'll be declaring this variable, and then I'll be storing this whole URL inside of this, just like that. And here, what I'll do here is just to dollar process.dne.api. Or I want to change, then whenever I'm deploying it to other URL or anything, so I don't have to go manually and change all of this. I can just change it at one place in the process.env, and it will be working fine. It's launching the app. Let's deploy to Heroku. Might work, it might not work. Then what you have to do here is so if the error comes, then I'll be showing you. There's no reason to do that. Still I'll show you, never mind. You can just go to more and view logs. Here it will be displaying all of the processes that are happening. So the server is up and running, 8,000. Why is it saying about 8,000? Oh, sorry. I just forgot to write something here, which is process.env. You have to write like this. So the Heroku's port will be special. I've written it already. I forgot that I have one. Of course, it will give me an error. Git add commit. Yeah. There was an error. Enable automatic replace. So whenever I'll be updating my repo, this it will automatically update the app. I don't have to come here manually and deploy the branch. It will be done So that's good. That's good. So welcome guys to the live. If you have any doubts or anything, please mention in the live chats. I would be happy to answer. Hey Meet, welcome to the live. Okay. So right now what we are doing is we are just deploying our application onto Heroku, which is so simple. You just have to make some few changes here and there and it will be ready to deploy. It's ready to deploy right now. It is getting deployed. A few minutes if it doesn't give an error, of course. And it's not giving me many errors because I already deployed many of my applications on Heroku and Netlify and all the services. So that's why I know how to do this stuff. It would give me less errors, of course. But if you first time, don't worry. If you take 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, never mind. Just go with it. Try to. But first of all, keep in mind, create one duplicate copy of your project and then try on one of a copy. Don't try on the main project, otherwise you will be spoiling your whole project. If you make something, you will be trying a lot of things from stack or from documentation and everything, then you will be thinking like you'll forget that what changes you have made and you will at some point break your whole project. So yeah, it's saying that cannot get slash. My front end app should be deployed here, but it's saying it's not. Let's say slash API slash to. Nope, don't want to give me results. That's okay. Don't mind. But let's check the logs. Check the logs here. Oopsie. Yeah, here we also have to specify our DB URI. So I'll be moving to my other. What was the DB URL? DB URL. Here I have to value. Let me also bring it here. Sorry, I cannot show you guys that because it's my personal database string, which I cannot show you on the live. It's nothing, you just have to write. Yeah, everything's great. Let's bring the code here and it's giving us, it was giving us error because it could not get the data because there was no specified DB URL. There was nothing like that. It was not connected to any database. That still give us an error. Saying cannot get. Why isn't it running my postpaid locally? Sync script? Really, bro? So what it will basically do here is first of all everything. Mm, yes, so I guess load the production build here. Let's just try. Let me just refresh it and deployment going on automatically. Let's just deploy manually then. Things don't work and you have to do some things manually. Never mind and better. Let me just decide. Try the price. There was some error. It's saying that it cannot deploy. There was too many deployments happen right now. So yeah, that was the error why it was not. Oh, we can try else. You can restart it should work. Otherwise, if that also doesn't work for you, then you have to delete, create another one, then it will be good to go. The graph is fluctuating after live viewers right now. It's good. People are coming and going. I hope the audio quality is good. Let's hope for the best. Should work. Switch deployed. Fingers crossed, and let's open it. See that does it work? Internet server error. Finally something. Other than that, cannot get it's getting displayed. So the error is changed. So we are happy. Yeah. Let me run that post page here. It's guys installing to do front end. There's nothing like to do front end. We are just running. Okay, path is not defined. We can get the path and path working. Then yeah, I'll be happy. Not displaying anything as of right now, but slide a build and text. This is an index. Let's try to push it. Select the requirement. Because it's bigger of that errors. Let's restart the time. Start all the dinos, refresh, not a new tab. So it will not be possible today. I hope we can continue this live session tomorrow. Today I'm also. So that was all guys for today's live session. Enjoyed all this process, so did not have completed the whole project and we have some problems here and there. After that delete button, whenever we are clicking, it's showing us task.map and that error thing. But yeah, we'll be solving all of that error soon, someday. I think there is not much of a response in this playlist, so I might stop the playlist from this live right now. So today was the last, and I hope you guys enjoyed the whole and if you guys want to have the more live and more project live build session, then do mention in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to do more and more. But soon I'm going to try the one-on-one live with some of my friends. I'll be teaching JavaScript first of all, and then I'm planning to do him on Python as well. So yeah, I'm trying some different things here and there. Hope you guys like that and give a good response. So yeah, that was all guys for this session.